not subscribed yet.
Have you seen my heart? She has been running around in the crowd. Have you felt that feeling that makes you feel so proud? Have you ever felt like a king but you haven't been crowned? Shouting so loud, but the volume of the sound's turned down. Please tell me, have you seen my heart out there? Could you please tell me if she would still care? Yes. Have you seen my heart somewhere out there? Could you please tell me if she would still care? Yes. Cause I'm sitting here thinking, lifelines blinking, losing what's left on my nerves, calculating where should I go, yeah, but my tracking device doesn't show, oh no. Could it be because I didn't pay attention? I really lost my true connection when it needed just a little attention. Have you seen my heart somewhere out there?
I want to make you sit down out here, so.
No, me just there, come cool out, get the fresh air, tired of that house.
You sure?
Yeah, man, yeah.
You know, say if it stop tell lie though.
What do you mean?
I know everything we are going, but I just act like I don't know. Sometimes you have to play fool for catch wise, you know? Look here. I know you and I know your man as friend and an uncle neighbor. I know what I'm going. You think you can fool me? Hide the secret from somebody else, not me.
No,
I know everything we are going. Me say, I know everything we are going between you and West. So, talk to me straight, because I don't know idiot.
What you want me to say?
What you say? You know,
what you think?
No man, I don't believe you. You don't say nothing young, nothing now go on. I don't lie to tell someone, you tell me the truth, that's why I ask you. You spit it out. Just spit it out of your mouth, in your mind, talk to things then.
Not the deaf to tell.
You want to tell me say you left out of your house and come sit down outside for no reason.
I first see me out there?
At the first I see you sit down right there, so.
For sure. You know,
I
look good, man.
What happened? You find another man? Or you plan to left West? Or what go down? How?
You know, you may tell us nothing like that now.
I don't believe you, that's why I'm down in your skin.
We're alright.
So. You're alright?
Yeah, good man.
And you look so stressed out.
You know, I say, look at me. Nice now, okay. Okay.
You feel some idiot. Where you stay?
I'm up on the road.
And where you there?
Sit down in a chair.
Out a door in the night. A door. On phone. What you do? Where you up to?
I didn't come here, so I didn't come here. Go up.
Oh.
So that all
don't worry yourself, man. Everything good.
So that all the so.
Don't worry yourself.
Eh?
One day I will tell you. And when I tell you, you're not going to believe that I did know. I already know what you have inside of you, so I don't want to spit it out to me. I'm just not ready to say it to you yet. Little more.
Alright. Enjoy your night. Boy, I'm stressed out. You stressed out? Girl, what? Sorry for being so late. Yeah. You could have bring one seat out here for me to make you stay, so. This is why I take so long to, because I did up the road there, so. Stop and chat to one little idiot, man. That try to chop piece of food out of him pocket. I wonder why you take so long to come. You make my sister outside to bite me. The 10 grand idiot did for give me and then give me 5. So I did try to talk out the next 5 out of time pocket, but he said tomorrow. So where they pan now?
Well, I just waste some my time.
Every minute I west this way. You can't go south now.
My neighbor just come and stop by and ask me what they go on. So me look stressed out. He said nothing like that.
Your neighbor too enough.
Everything they want,
By the way, how are your neighbor?
It's a slim lady over there, so.
The Rasta woman? The woman she cut her locks. Oh. I know who you talk, man.
It's like when time was come on my evening time. As a girlfriend, me I go cooking food and put it down. Whatever me love, me I go cook it and put it down for him. And when he come, just dish it out and give him. So I can't believe the cooking food give him and give me in drinks and like not even a thank you. And I'm more than one time.
You should have put some run in a belly thing in there. You can't get good nice meal and I say thank you. You have to cherish what going in your belly.
Not even a hi babes, good evening, how was your day?
Tell about them dirty man.
None of that.
I tell about them dirty man. Them man just jaja. I don't even know what to describe them. And that's why I rather stay single. I not stop saying it. I rather stay single for the rest of my life. Oh, cause I not trust man. Man are evil. Them come like Satan. Deceiving.
Some of them.
All of them.
But I don't know I get like this though. But I think I see somebody else.
I saw them start off good, then get bad. And come like a old shoes. You get them new, then get bend up. Ow.
So, I think I want go on my own.
What?
As in, I want break up with him.
No need to make a boy know say you break up with him. Just pack up your things them and come down a yard. And write one note, give the dirty boy. Yeah, that you need to do. And don't tell him where you're there. Write in the note say you're there somewhere when he can't go find you and he better not come looking. If you really rate him, we come looking.
Me a ponder about it, but
panda or wonder.
Right. Me no want to do it, me no want to do it right now, but me want to do it. You get what me say?
Me no want hear you say me want. Say you go do it. You know want I go do it. Oh, cause tomorrow me a come round here for you. You go see how serious me be. Me a come for you and your bag then.
I go sleep and turn in my bed tonight.
Can't believe say man can have good woman like Uno and I want to spend time with. What kind of man you be? Some of them man nowadays rather they are run bar with them friends. Or they on ball field I watch man a play balls. Just do what you have to do in a girl, cause right now me have to cut cause I said to you before, the man no give me all of the money, so me have to go try and make it up.
Alright.
So now late says it.
Yeah man.
Alright.
Talk.
Yeah man. But I stress out about the dirty boy now. Remember what to do. Yeah.
Funny how we would risk it all for a dream.
You just come in with a bad energy, so not even good evening.
Bad energy, I say you call it. Eh? You know how my day was today? You have a clue how my day go? Eh? You ask me how my day went? You ask me what me eat for lunch? You don't ask me none of them questions, you know?
Me
and as me
always
come
answer
in.
that.
When?
What you mean when?
Yo, look here, man. You hear me say now? I had a very, very rough day. But
How was your day? You say you have a rough day.
really and truly, I had a rough day. You see me? Big man thing, and my bad. I'm not supposed to take it out by you because I get very upset and gyrated about the whole situation. I'm carry it home. I shouldn't do that.
I'm sorry here, Shorty. Very, very sorry about that. But probably one time I go hold a shower and come back, everything will go mellow down. You know, we talk to you better. I'll fix it. Yeah? I know your fault. I apologize. I did see the food out there. I really did. But I'm just never hungry. And based on what going to work today, I just come home in a wrong spirit, you see me? But as I said, I know nothing to do with you. Alright, babes? I'm sorry about that. Really am. Okay?
Okay.
And, you know, even if you even make it up to you, you know what I feel like I can do? Because me have a little tension and, you know, a little thing I go on in my headspace. You some of the time seems like you're out of it and out of place. We go take a little vacation together now. Probably can, you know, we need some time away from the space. You know, outside of the environment, we can do a good, you know, rejuvenate the love and the fire, isn't it? What you
A
think?
vacation so nice, but I don't think that's what we need to do.
Why not?
We just need to spend more time with each other.
Then the more go outside, I would do that.
No, in the bed.
Really? Just. We'll figure it out.
So, you say I go bed and come back.
I'm going to hold a shower. I'm going to hold a shower and come back and can cuddle, alright?
Alright then.
Cool.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Come on, I know you're strong, yeah. But you'll be wrong and strong, that means you're weak. And if you can't say yourself when you're
Girl, I am also your favorite.
sometimes we have to take a look in the mirror and find our fault. Cause if you say you're strong, then you have to take a look at your
West.
Yeah.
What with you and West?
I mean, one time we there, right? Me I sleep over here, so him I sleep in the other room.
That don't make no sense, girl. They come like on two enemies live under one roof. West want a big pot cover in him head.
I say that.
Don't say that. That's why your top looks so. Like he's stressed out. Anyways, what you plan for do?
But I think say more rent somewhere.
Mm-hmm.
But in the money when me have, me don't want to go take it to go pay no rent, to go rent no apartment.
Oh, yeah,
I have to do
budget.
other things, yeah.
Okay. Well, girl, you know, say, you can always come up at my yard, come stay. You can just come up at yard, come go and stay until you sort out yourself and get everything together. Because I don't like how you look. You and the man
Stress
can't.
out, no shit.
Me say, you and the man can't live under the same roof and you look like this. I just pass him out there, so, and him look totally happy and you sad. To me, me not cut in, but to me, it seems like that man I love you at all. He have somebody else.
I think so too, because him not behave how we usually behave when we just meet each other.
That's why I prefer stay single, you know, girl, because man, I go there go through the stress and the problem with no man. None at all. I rather stay single. You better you take advice from somebody who is single than somebody who is in a relationship. I tell you that.
Yeah, because me can't bother with this anymore.
What you can't bother with?
With Wes, like
the relationship, you want to end everything. I tell you that long time, and I better you just done here, so girl. Pack up your things, them and come on. Come on, go all a baby, you know.
2 time hot.
Yeah, at 2 times I change from there, I'm in a beard. Because through my clothes are wet. We have to go all do here tomorrow. So.
You do it here tomorrow?
I may carry her with me.
You can add them here?
Yeah, I make you put on the wig.
Alright then.
And red boy, yeah. I bet you when you put on the ear tomorrow, I'm going to run in. But we have a plan for him. Just take up your bag and come on, cause I'm going to go all a bed and something.
And girl, I prefer to be alone. or live alone than I live like this. Like being in a relationship with this guy and
It's stressing.
yeah, I shouldn't feel like this. I shouldn't feel alone when I'm in a relationship with someone.
But by right, you and him should have separate. Like, me should have come here. For instance, say, me did have one man live within a girl and him usually treat me bad. Like, him give me everything I want, you know. Like, and everything where you run down, you go get because I did meet a loving and caring person. And the man give me everything I want in my life. But wow, he ungrateful. You ain't get ungrateful, so just come on.
Yeah, may I come?
Remember if you left a note for the boy, you know, because more you left a note for him and I don't want him down a yard. I don't want him down a yard. And don't make him know where you're there neither. Oh.
Have you seen my heart? She has been running around in the crowd. Have you felt that feeling that makes you feel so
Dear
proud?
West,
Have you ever felt
I
like
cannot
you
bother
can't watch your head
anymore.
mid-ground, shouting so loud, but the
I'm moving
phone with the
on
sound so
and
loud.
I
Please
hope you
tell
can do
me,
the
have
same.
you seen
Yours
my
truly,
heart out
Anancia.
there? Could you please tell me if she would still care? Yes. Have you seen my heart somewhere out there? Could you please tell me if she would still care? Yes. Cause I'm sitting here thinking, lifelines blinking, losing what's left on my nerves, calculating where should I go, yeah, but my tracking device doesn't show, oh no. Could it be because I didn't pay attention? I really lost my true connection when it needed just a little attention. Have you seen my heart somewhere out there? Could you please tell me if she would still care?
Read me.
Yes. Have you seen my heart somewhere out there? Could you please tell me if she would still care?
Sweetheart.
Yes.
Memories and
Memories, memories.
Oh, right.
There's so that's left from my heart.
Moving on.
I wish I had a crystal ball, a little
Debs.
love potion to bring back my heart back to motion. Yeah. Please
What?
take me
Think we should have do the same.
somewhere out
I
there.
really left my woman and left me.
Could you please tell me if
We left nothing.
would still
We not no fight. So which part? So we should talk about space and problems. But I just 2 times I tell him for should be part. Me never vex too tough. One time I tell her for Gary, a joke me did I make. She can't take that serious. What's that? I was my neighbor about this. Could I walk up somebody said, oh, Father God? Neighbor! Trisha! Look at Trisha. Tell me if you understand this. Yeah? Trisha, I left my woman, left me, Trisha.
Hold on. I am writing you this letter to let you know that I am moving on. And that you should do the same.
Trisha, she left me, Trisha.
Eh.
Trisha, tell me, Sergio, I don't know if she left me, Trisha.
Why you call my name? Why you have to come to me with your woman? and your life story. What this have to do with me? How this concern me? How me end up in this? I'm just a neighbor.
But you're my friend.
Yes, we are friends.
So Shisha should not tell you nothing, Shisha. You should talk to.
West, just listen to me, please. Yes, we are friends. Me and you and your woman are friends, but I don't know you and her business. Because she not tell me her business and you not tell me her business. This is shocking news to me. How me if you know say your woman go move on and left you and you fi move on. Me not understand. This not add up. If you not tell me how me I go know.
So she not say nothing to you, Shisha.
She don't say anything to me. And if she did tell me, why would I tell you if you can say, oh, me here long time and don't tell you and cast this way? Me not like people business.
She never say anybody one time she even leave.
I don't know me this is somebody like she. I don't know if I she. This is somebody I got she game. I don't watch you know. I mind my own business right now. I mind my business and drink my water. So you know that? Drink water and mind my business.
Money must is money. I can't do me that right. This is
I know me
right.
make you act like a me make a girl gone or a me tell her if go on. That's one thing me not do go in a people relationship because at the end of the day when you and her head up on pillar, me no want you go say me say and she come back and tell you say me say. Okay, so you see that girl when named Trisha, you notice when you come see me on my veranda, I mind my own business. Me don't business do no. Don't mix me.
I can't live and mash up with my friendship, but we are friends. You know when you do good.
West, listen what me I say, West.
Just call her now.
West, listen what me I say. I did a call her from yesterday and he come like she block everybody, so me can't call her now. You try call her.
Don't call her for me. Just call her for me, please.
We are bad for. You're not married?
No, but
No.
No,
Are you wife?
she can't let me.
You engage her? Is the wife to be? No.
No,
How much
why?
money have with the girl? No matter, look here, no matter how that the woman they treat you, you not treat her good. That's a number two. And nobody make me start, because guess what? I don't want to end up in it.
So you know my business, I can't know VR.
You can't tell me, that's why I know. I mean, I tell us that I don't want to go further in it for you come mix me up. Don't put me in your blender, please, and thank you.
She's not in there.
I'm
That's
sorry.
not a joke.
I'm not joke, I'm serious. I'm not joke. You want a little water for drink? That's why you cry, you look thirsty.
Letter.
You want the letter? So what you going to do with this now? Nobody buy no rope. Hold this. So you use somebody else's number where she don't know and see if you get in touch with her. She blocked me too, you can't call her.
Just call her one more time for me now, please.
You see, oh, no love disrespect woman. You see, oh, no love treat woman bad.
And
when woman take with themselves and gone about them business, you see how you going now. You see what Sydney woman do for you, buy your car, house, land. The woman will look about visa for you. You see what Sydney she do for you. And buy grocery for you and clothes and everything. You don't do nothing, you know. And you see how you used to treat her, now she gone. Now she gone.
You know why she gone?
You know why she gone? She gone
No.
already. She gone already, she already gone. And you want me to call her again?
Maybe I go look for her now.
Me?
She should go help me now.
When she used to go foreign and come back down with them big barrel and money, you ever give me one soap out there and you say me here?
But me not ready for she go yet.
You know ready to go?
No.
When
You know me
you-
love you.
Hey!
No, you can't help me. Come help me now. Me not love Jisha.
So wait there. Hold on there, wait. And when you tell her, say, she fi go, she not fi go have her own.
No, but we don't ready for love yet.
You not ready for love yet?
No.
Aye!
I love me down. Help me to Jisha, man. I say you see.
Father God! Help me, Jesus. You're damn hypocrite. I wonder how you gonna feel left your backside. Where may I go?
Girl, hurry up now. Come now, me see you. I go like you want to take time walk, so.
Girl,
You're just slow. You turkle?
me don't know if I make the right decision.
Bowa.
But West, like, some things what me upset about. And not even like recent something, you know, like from in the past.
So you still have feelings to that the boy there?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Feelings. You better keep your feelings to yourself. Or take your feelings and lock in a one buckle and throw in a river. But you do about feelings. Man a dirty man, you don't know that too. Every man stays so them a drunk crow. You can't trust man, girl. You can't give all your hopes to man. You can't put in all your effort in a man neither. You hear that? Come like nothing when me tell you. Or nothing when me advise you. So like you not do the right thing, girl. Me advise you. Use up your advice. Left the man.
What me want to know, me can't stay here for a few days.
Girl, I don't even have to ask me that. You know you can stay as long as you want.
Make sure.
We girls have to stick together, you know that too. Woman power, we say.
Yeah.
You see me? Power.
Bobby, walk on.
Yo, how you go?
I go for your yard.
Go for me, I go do
I go look for Anancia.
Go look for your bumper night. Come over here, son, and stand up here, son.
Bobby, you know if you go and say no,
What do you mean, say me not for you go on, son? You understand what you do? Eh?
No, Bobby, but watch out, Bobby. From Anancia left me, no, Bobby, my heart stop beat all now, you know, beat back in 2 days now, you know,
2
Bobby.
days now? So hold on. So that means that you're a dead corpse. Eh?
Yeah, but I'm not dead.
West.
But I'm not dead.
West. Me tell you this. You're going like you don't know what you do to Anancia. Eh? You don't know what you do to her.
But I never mean it.
What do you mean say I mean it? Or if you do something I don't mean it, and do it over and over, Anancia complain to me about you in the West. I mean, I understand what you feel like if you walk up at the yard right now. I don't want to see you around in that place, boss.
Bobby, but up there she there, Bobby.
Up there she there? She not there up there.
She not up there.
She not there up there.
Bobby,
Simple as.
she
Yo, listen to me. The last time she called me and tell me say she go actually move up, I say, do what your heart desire. Because West is not a good youth. I think it's a good youth, you know.
Bobby, me a the idiot, Bobby, just cool. Bobby.
Well, you're still idiot. Sorry about that.
Bobby, man, just cool, just talk to her for me, no, Bobby,
Talk
man.
to her for and say what?
Bobby, my heart stop rightis. Me don't know what I go on.
Listen to me, I say, whatever arthritis, or left rightis, or dunce rightis, or getaway rightis, you better get this right now. Yeah? Step away and leave her alone. Give her some space.
But Bobby, I will leave her space. Me give her own room. One time I sleep on the bed. She sleep on the right side, I sleep on the left. I don't need no more space than that.
And then when you wake up 1 hour later, you knock her up on a tormentor. She tell me everything, you know.
But Bobby,
I don't want to stop.
she sexy and my nature.
Listen to me, I say. All you can do for me and she and the family is stay away. Give her some space and some time. Where you go now? You got pressure enough about
No pressure,
what you talk to her
I'm just
about?
gonna make she know how I feel.
How you feel? She know how you feel already.
No, me not tell her.
Listen to me.
You know,
West.
you know, if bother get just hear me yourself. Just hear me on number, baby, please.
Yeah, I hear you.
Me love her.
Yeah, me know you love her.
Just tell her me love her, number me and I want her to come home to me.
But
The
listen to me, I
house
say,
now work
West.
without her.
West, you still love her. And when you know you love her, after you start treat her bad,
No, when me say no dinner, I go cook.
no dinner now cook.
No.
So food, hell, West, step
No,
away from
no, me no mean it like
West.
that, but
Yeah, I use the woman West.
no, but
You make the woman feel like say she a housewife.
no clothes now.
And all these things. When the woman want to do little work and get her thing together, you come create and a mat. Hey, listen to me, man.
Me like when she dey home.
You like it?
Yes.
For do what? For turn
So
work
the
this?
house can keep right.
West, listen to yourself. You listen to yourself, West. At the end of the day, you have to look yourself. She never tell me say you beat her. Yeah, but that no mean say you treat her good. You good youth, you know. Cause me hear about on the street say you good youth. Cause everybody me ask, they must say boy, them don't know really what go on in the house. So me have to take fear word or your word feed. But guess who for word me gonna take feed? Fear word me gonna take.
Don't take no word, Bobby. Don't take no
West.
word, Bobby. Just cool.
Give her some time. Give her some space.
Like till 12 o'clock?
Don't
Alright.
make me feel like say yeah antagonize her brain. Make she rest and relax herself. You know why she leave?
She tell me that you want space. I don't know what that means.
Alright, give her space and give her time.
Oh, you did not.
West, move yo.
Alright.
Don't come back up here, sir. Sis.
What happened, bro?
Ah, boy. I don't know if it's
Let me
that.
get aside, so.
Sister, you know what I'm saying? Tell them I see West.
Oh, I see.
You know, look good. Him look like him I go through it hard.
What is it to you?
Basically, I be a bad, I go through one phase of.
Ball.
Yeah, my bad. When I first hear about that. Hmm?
Yeah, listen.
Tell me something.
Mm.
Him beat you? Him put your hand on you?
No, he's not really abusive, you know.
So why problem?
He not really give me the attention what I need. So, and we go through stuff in the past already where me have to complain about. Like, me not feel complain about you not having to spend enough time with me. Now your woman is supposed to spend time with me.
So you talk to him about these things?
Of course.
And what I'm saying?
Him still not make no changes.
So what?
So,
Because him a flex with his friend them or kind of work. Yeah, my
yeah.
sister, I love you, you know, but them must reasoning ya. My reason I come like, you know no reason to let the man.
Alright, brother. Him used to regularly bring me out on dates and buy me gifts.
Like how often
Him
bring you
still
out?
buy me gifts, you know, but me no want gifts. Like, yeah, me want the gift, you know, that's
Hold
thoughtful.
on. How often you carry out?
Once a month, no.
Once a month.
Mm-hmm.
So you can expect him to bring you out.
But I want to do it more often, and that's not happening. I may talk to him about it already, and he's still not making any effort to change. So
So what am I do?
why am I wasting my time?
So hold on. Sis, where you staying up at Ayla?
Yeah, Ayla give me a pep talk and said if we just break up with him, so that's what I did. I better stay with her.
So wait,
Yeah.
you are trying to tell me say, I know your decision why you leave?
I mean, yeah, I my decision, yes, but Ayla give me the pep talk and I said, yeah, why me I waste my time with the boy all the time? Him not give me what I really need. Which is his time. No matter, listen, at 24 hours in a one day.
Mm-hmm.
And you have enough time to work, come home and spend time with me. Give me a little massage and, you know, me nice little sexy talk to your woman. Caress me. Me not get none of that.
Sis.
So, say that again.
Sis.
Mm-hmm.
As me say,
Yeah.
this come like it make no sense. This come like really and truly you break up and left your home because of Ayla. Ayla boyfriend?
No, she don't have no man.
Oh, what? So you listen to somebody who don't have no relationship about relationship. That makes sense, sister? You take advice from a woman who actually don't have it together. And put it in the perspective of believing this a woman here. Sister, that make no sense. But only thing we can do is talk to you because at the end of the day it's your heart and your decision. And who you follow. You can't follow the wrong people then. I only forget them I try to visit your sister.
You don't get where I try to say.
To me, it sounds like we want good you to me. Because man I want to go and check you, thinking say you're there in my yard and my ball and thing. You have to think wisely. You hear me? When you find something good in a demo time, you have to hold on to it. Some people will whisper in your ears because they don't have nothing good. And they want to put you in that situation that make you feel like that's the right way. You understand me I say? Yeah. So no follow people. Do whatever your heart tell you. If you want left because you want left. Not because no pep talk. And no girls power thing. I mean no say that you have to say right now. But sis, you're in a far. So go back in the house, here? Sis, my love, here? Mm-hmm. No, I just want to
How are you?
She know up there.
Wes, you act like I say nonsense. Me say what wrong with you? What is the problem?
She left Trisha, she left and I can't find her.
Who you can't find?
I can't find her Nancy.
You can't find Nancy.
Yes, she lost.
She lost. Anyway, the only thing me have to tell you say, one Rasta man come down about 3 to 4 times. Today, I don't know why he come about. I don't know what he wants.
What?
One Rasta man. I tell you say one Rasta man, I first me and see him. But maybe 3-4 times he come here.
Rasta man come and go look me Anasia.
Eh?
Anasia. He go look me her.
I don't know when he come about. Why you question me? All that concern me. I tell you say me see one new face man, Rasta man.
So how he look?
He have locks up here so, round here so cut. And he ear long come down to maybe about here so. And he come here about 3 to 4 times, 1 million times I tell you the same thing. He act like you're dead.
What are they?
You're deaf, you act like you're dead.
But I smell it sound like a, look at the description sound like a brother. So you make me a ball for your brother and your brother come here.
How me make you cry for your? Eh?
No, brother that.
So if I'm brother that day, oh that me not even know if the man related to and hey.
What you make me a ball for?
Me make you a ball?
So now you tell me say man come here to me for man.
Hallelujah. He's a damn fool. So if me tell you say one man come here to your woman, that means say a fair man. I could have a neighbor. Look how much man live in the area. And you come and go on like I said. So wait, are you alone as man to chat to your woman? Else any other man chat to her, that means she and them there. Damn fool. How are you in there?
Everything is
So
man.
God know West. Say God know you really left go look for your woman because you believe say man come here to her to me tell you say the one Rasta man come here. So you know what I come go about me. Wow. I said it easy for cry. Oh God.
So you can help me look. Come and make a look for her. Come make a look for her, no, Trisha. I don't know nothing funny, you know. Because in the next couple hours, I'm going to report it, you know.
West, I know say a fool.
I'm going to report it, so she's missing. She's not like that. She not go like that. I ask her brother, and her brother say she don't come up there.
West,
So
West,
no,
West,
I probably somebody writing note.
West, you hear me?
I can't that for you.
God know me never know say a fool. Me and God know say it's like
Go back and look for her.
oh, me and you go back go look for who? I found my man last.
Trisha, I'm a woman that you know, so I can't do it. I want food.
Trisha, I'm a woman that what that have to do with me? My man no last. Me know if you find my man, and my man know if you find me. You lucky you have woman and last, and oh she short and you can't go find her. So when you did meet her, oh you see her, and she's so short.
I did sit down.
You did sit down? Well, sit down and go look for her.
Hello. Where's where you want now? Me already tell us that me not come back. Me don't know why you keep on about my phone. So? No. It no matter if a man or woman yard me there. Me just tell us if you give me some time. That's why me have to leave when you not there now. Cause you just ever want in an argument with me.
How that?
Goodbye.
How that the dirty West?
Now you call me.
Not tell that the man never stop call their phone, girl.
We keep on telling you still honor me.
You nah no shame. Anyways, you know say you me I look for around the whole yard door because I come to tell you say we not gonna bother do it here today. Cause remember me that tell you yesterday say the money never reach. So as soon as we get the money we have to go do it here one next day.
Maybe want it no. Take
You
some
don't even
nice
know.
picture and show off pan wish.
Every minute I west. You soon there with south. As a matter of fact, me I go to road go buy auto shop. I go to Rosie go buy 2 juice.
Oh, you buy juice.
Cause none in the fridge.
Not true, wanna me drink them half an hour. Just can't bother with the food.
I realize. Stop drink off my juice then. Yeah, come on, me alone for go.
Man, you gone.
Alright, me soon come. I no bother the stress about him, man, you know.
What's alright?
Me soon find South gear, no worry yourself. Yeah, what's special things?
Wait, Ayla.
What go on?
You drink special too, man.
Yeah,
Mama, can you want special them?
I feel easy brain a little.
God, I don't say no in spot, man. Thank you, bartender. So tell me something. You know, say up a fair place. My sister there.
Oh, you know that.
I'm my sister. She not hiding from me. If you should go hide from me.
So, what am show up at my place? You know,
Yes.
your sister, me I protect her.
What mean protect her?
Protect her from the beast.
Hold on. Protect her from the beast. I don't understand the statement. So are you make sure you read it up there? Or like give her influence and say she can come there? How you go? Explain to me.
She asked me if she can stay up at my yard. I'm a friend. You know I'm not gonna tell her no. She said she don't comfortable which part she did.
But she just tell her that or something where you and she talk about regular cause. I don't understand how she
A regular,
mouth, so.
no, I don't cut in a regular, me and her talk about West. And based off of how she talk to me and she tell me say I'm treat her right and something. My influence her, if just come up after me.
So Ayla, you feel so that is right?
Of course it right.
So you don't run bar now, which part you do?
I left her up a yard.
I tell you, no easy at all.
I come buy
Alright.
juice for me and her.
I'm gonna tell you this now, you see? Sometimes you have to understand, say, you know, everybody, there's still good what them do for people. See? Because a lot of people judge people based on the bad what them are doing. And not remembering the good sides. Then forget that kind of energy they want when draw them to the person. So you can be the one for influence her and tell her, say, move out and come check and all that. You can't agree with that, Ayla.
I never tell her exactly if you move out and come link me, you know.
So
She asked me if she can stay up on my yard because she don't comfortable where she is and I said yes.
So hold on, you ever tell her, say, work it out with her man? You ever give her that advice and say she could try? You ever be that friend who can bring her back to the fold?
Never,
not true.
no.
You have a man?
No?
Same thing. You never expect. Hey, hey, I'll tell you my concern is about my sister's well-being.
You have a woman?
You mean say my woman? Of course, my woman. Woman, they're in my yard right now, well comfortable away from to come home. But me just come from work up the road there, some more drink. You understand
Stick
me?
up in there. You're a woman, the woman wait for you. Sound like one of them dirty man there too, you know, but it's alright. So you're a woman, the home, well comfortable wait for you. And your sister would have the home well comfortable as well you think say she would be. And when man come, him go in a different room and you run another room.
Yeah,
that can't work.
No, but you have to understand the situation from a different perspective. Why? Sometimes man on that room are doing work. So when him done in computer work, sometimes he might fall asleep. She don't want a night or you. How it is for him know, you know, she has sleep and nights are make. Sometimes you have to read in between the lines. You understand what I say?
So no man think. True, no man are not gonna pick up for each other, you know. But let me tell you this. I'm my friend. And I go have her back.
Yeah, but what kind of back you have?
I go have her back.
Protect her or to protect the relationship that she, because you tell me say she don't love West.
She love West, so but it don't look like West love she.
So West check me 2 days ago on a ball. One for come up on my yard fee say up the she there.
In for ball. Yeah, when him a ball, him for drop right out.
Cause may I cut the conversation because I not get nowhere.
No, you not gonna get nowhere.
Don't influence my sister to stay up your yard. Try get her to do her own thing. That's all I say.
She been a do her own thing. Hey, better you go and buy your
better
business,
you stay and come out.
Cause you come here, come see me, you know.
Know yourself. May I come out?
Dirty man. Blast, it look like a chow.
You subscribe yet?
Have you seen my heart? She has been running around in the crowd. Have you felt that feeling that makes you feel so proud? Have you ever felt like a king but you haven't been crowned? Shouting so loud, but the volume of the sound's turned down. Please tell me, have you seen my heart out there? Could you please tell me if she would still care? Yes. Have you seen my heart somewhere out there? Could you please tell me if she would still care? Yes. Cause I'm sitting here thinking, lifelines blinking, losing what's left on my nerves, calculating where should I go, yeah. But my tracking device doesn't show, no. Could it be because I didn't pay attention? I really lost my true connection when it needed just a little attention. Have you seen my heart somewhere out there? Could you please tell me if she would still care? Yes. Have you seen my heart somewhere out there? Could you please tell me if she would still care? Yes. Memories, memories. There's all that's left from my heart. I wish I had a crystal ball, genie, a little love potion to bring back my heart back to motion, yeah. Please take me home, somewhere out there. Could you please tell me if she would still care? Yes. Have you seen my heart somewhere out there? Could you please tell me if she would still care? Tell me, have you seen my heart somewhere out there? Could you please One day